think you can, go anywhere that you want and, go to a place and work, which is fine, but it's just nice to have a place where, the owner actually knows you. He's not above you, and he's not, he's obviously not below you, but, he takes out time to actually care. He wants to know who you are, what you're doing, if everything's all right, and really goes out of his way just to make sure that you and your family are all right. I'll tell you, I don't know of any other company that does that.
We value hard work, we value giving of ourselves, and we value caring for others. There's the need for us to expect accountability across the board from everybody, and the need for us to invest in ourselves, invest in our people, because we recognize our people are our greatest assets.
Wes and his father obviously started the business, but a lot of the other employees as well. It's not just a job, it's really part of who they are. And whether they're the first generation to work here or they have children or parents who have worked here as well. The way we operate here, and everybody works really hard, and it just becomes a part of their life and who they are, and being a part of this company.
DJ operates our press, and he had mentioned, hey, did you know that I got a new truck? And so we went to the rear of his vehicle, and he bent down on the ground and pointed at the shock brackets and said, you see those? I'm stamping those in Press 42 right now. How cool is that?
It's exciting to know that your part is on this car that you have made. You have to put in something to get something out. You have to look at it that if it was your family that was buying these parts, you want your family member or whoever to be safe.
I take a pride in driving by, going with my kids. I tell them too, hey, look, we made those parts, and they get all excited too. It's really nice to see the parts outside the vehicle, not only inside. It's a lot of pride in the work.
We're all here for the same reason. We need to make sure we get good product out. That is our main goal, that we get good product out. Matt Frazier, I actually started with on the transfer presses. He was the operator, and he taught me. And then we had a group. On a transfer press, you have 3 to 4 people, so you're a team. You have to work together as a team.
They're making something, and what they're doing matters. These are parts that'll go into vehicles that families will purchase and will drive for 10 years, and it's going to keep them safe.
What everyone here at E&E does is we work hard, and it's beyond a doubt.
There's nothing we can't do. You hear people say all the time, that won't work, or that can't be done that way. At face value, you might not be able to do that, but if you get enough smart people together and you engineer a way around it, and you look at the obstacles you have in front of you, and you take those out, you put what you need in, well, there's nothing we can't do. We can do anything.
Chad Lynch, his dad worked there for, I think, 35 years. And he was actually a guy that, was the first one in there, and he was the last one to leave. Really did a lot and put a lot of time, invested a lot of time in E&E. And now his son works there. I think he's been there for roughly about 12 years too. Wes, the owner, his dad, started the business, and since he's had it, he's taken it to places that I think even his dad would be even more prouder about. It's pretty neat to see family over generations, especially second or third generations, to actually want to come and be a part of something like that.